Here we have a really old York Borg Warner Sunline model unit. I think that right there is the model number, and it's SA121-25A. Serial number is T0 or TO-078246. Oh, here's the model number. The model number is SA121/RX200-ANI25A. This thing is really old, as you can see, and it's still in use. Right there's the fans with some kind of mesh thing over the fan grill. I don't know why they did that. And then there's also this vent on the ducts. This thing's pretty old, and it looks like it was repainted yellow a while back. Not sure why. But yeah, a really old York Sunline model unit. Over and out.